In the cacophony of modern life, where a relentless stream of tasks, obligations, and digital interruptions can leave us feeling perpetually frazzled, the ancient words of Jesus offer a surprising and deep respite. Amidst the various teachings, miracles, and interactions recounted in the New Testament, there lies a profound invitation. Come to me, all who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. This call to rest is not just a call to physical relaxation, but to a profound state of inner peace, a renewal of the soul, a sanctuary of well-being. Let's delve deeper into the dimensions of this invitation and its transformative implications for our lives. While physical rest is essential for health and vitality, Jesus' invitation is not restricted to mere physical relaxation. It's an invitation to spiritual and emotional solace. In an era where mental fatigue, emotional exhaustion, and spiritual drought are pervasive, his words resonate with depth. When Jesus beckons the weary and burdened, he acknowledges the multitude of struggles humans grapple with, from the emotional and spiritual to the physical. In the verses following his invitation to rest, Jesus mentions taking his yoke upon us, for it is light. A yoke, in agricultural terms, is a wooden beam placed on the necks of oxen, enabling them to pull together and share the burden. By offering his yoke, Jesus is suggesting a partnership, an ease that comes from walking alongside him, allowing him to share and lighten our burdens. In the challenges we face, be it health, relationships, or inner turmoil, there's a profound comfort in knowing we don't bear them alone. This shared yoke is a symbol of unity, collaboration, and mutual support. Central to many spiritual teachings is the act of surrender. It's not about defeat or passive resignation, but about an active trust in a power larger than oneself. When we surrender our anxieties, our plans, our very selves to Jesus, we're met with a peace that surpasses all understanding. Philippians 4:7. It's a peace rooted not in circumstantial calm, but in the unshakable foundation of divine love and wisdom. Finding rest in Jesus also challenges us to evaluate our life priorities. In the pursuit of achievement, wealth, or societal acclaim, we often lose our essence, becoming entangled in external validations rather than intrinsic worth. But in the serene space of Christ's rest, we're reminded of our true value, separate from our worldly accomplishments. This realignment rejuvenates our spirit, refocusing us on love, compassion, and purpose. The health of the soul often gets overshadowed by the emphasis on body and mind. Yet, it's the soul that connects us to the profound mysteries of existence. Jesus' invitation is a call to nourish the soul, to immerse it in the streams of divine love, grace, and mercy. It's a journey to the very core of our being, where we're lovingly embraced, flaws and all. Resting in Jesus means resting in his grace, a grace that knows no bounds. This grace isn't earned or merited, it's given freely. Acknowledging our own vulnerabilities and imperfections and then experiencing unmerited love and acceptance is a balm to our often self-critical souls. It fosters self-compassion, which in turn enhances our well-being. The invitation to rest isn't just a personal one, it extends to communities and societies. In a world rife with division, hostility, and misunderstanding, the teachings of Jesus offer a blueprint for reconciliation, unity, and collective healing. Restoring inner peace on an individual level contributes to societal peace. It's a ripple effect, beginning with personal transformation and extending outwards to heal families, communities, and eventually societies. In the tapestry of Jesus' teachings, the invitation to rest stands out as a beacon of hope and solace. It challenges the contemporary understanding of rest, elevating it from mere physical relaxation to a profound state of spiritual, emotional, and mental renewal. Embracing this invitation is a journey to the heart of divine love, where burdens are lightened, souls are refreshed, and a deep, abiding peace is found. In the words of Jesus, it's an invitation to a rest that renews, restores, and rejuvenates.